Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I am Ashfaq and in today's video we will install the Docker on the Windows 11, and once Docker has been installed we will build one Docker image and we will run one container also. Let's get started. To run the Docker on the Windows there is one prerequisites. If your Windows is running on the physical system, then in the BIOS virtualization technology should be enabled. You can find the virtualization option under the security of your system's BIOS. If your Windows is running on the virtual machine, then under the processors this option should be enabled. Virtualize Intel VTX AMD RVI. This option you will have to enable on the virtual machine. Download the Docker desktop installer. You can go to this link and download the Docker desktop for Windows. I will install it. So I will keep the tick on both these options and I will click OK. Installation completed. I will click on close and restart. Restart completed, and after the restart this window has pop up. So I will click on accept. It is asking me to update the Windows subsystem for Linux. I will copy this command and I will go to command prompt and I will give this command to update the WSL. Okay, WSL update completed. If you have installed the Docker with the non-admin user, then go to run go to lusrmgr.msc groups, and you have to add your user in this group, Docker users. You can add from here. Now I have to install the Git for Windows. You can go to this link and download the Git for Windows. I have already downloaded this software in my system. I will double click to install it. Next, 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 install. I will click on finish. Get installation completed. I will now double click on the Docker for desktop. Okay, now Docker engine is running in my system. I will open the Visual Studio Code. you can go to this link and download the Visual Studio Code. I will close the previous folder. I will go here and open the new terminal. So we have installed the WSL. So it is asking to install the WSL extension. I will click on install. Okay, it has installed the WSL extension. I will clone my repository. I will go to the repository. I will give the command to build the image. If I give the command docker images, you can see my images available. I will now run the container with this image. If I give the command docker ps, so you can see my uh, container is running. If I go to docker engine, if I go to images, you can see this is my image which we have built, and this is my container which is running. If I go to browser and browse the local host, so you can see my website is running. I can browse it with the IP address of my local system also. So I'm able to browse the application. By this way, you can install the Docker in the Windows system. You can build the image and you can run the container successfully in the Windows system. I hope you find this video helpful. Like the video, share it with the friends and spread the knowledge. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.